Welcome again to another edition of your everyday computer tips and tricks. And today I'll be sharing with you a very simple tip on Adobe Illustrator, and it's about how to make a pie chart in Adobe Illustrator. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Alright, so I've opened my Adobe Illustrator software, and as you can see on my screen, this is the pie chart. We'll be creating something similar to this pie chart that you see on your screen in here. So I just took the time to create this one before I actually make the video on the tutorial. So let's just move to a different artboard and then try and create a similar pie chart as we see on the right side on the other artboard. So to start off, to create our pie chart, first we need to go to the toolbar section or toolbar properties on our left hand side over here and select on pie charts in here. So as you can see, there's a pie chart symbol over here. If you don't find the toolbar or the pie chart option in here, you can go to window and then go to toolbars, and instead of the basic you have to select advanced. If you select on the advanced option, you see that it will give you all the additional toolbars that are hidden from view. So because I've already selected the option, that is why mine still appears on the toolbar section. Click on it. Once you've clicked on it, come back to your working area or your workspace, and then you click and drag, and it will give you a form of a rectangle or a square, and will draw this shape for you. So this is our pie chart, and this is what we are going to divide into the various percentages or the various sections. So it has given us a table in here where we are going to input our values. So if you already have your values, say in an Excel sheet, you can import them here, but for us, I'm going to just enter them on a table on a table that you see over here. So in our first section, by default we have just the value 1. Let's click on that cell and change the value to say 20, but make sure that all the values that you enter add up to 100. So our first value will be 20. Once you've entered 20, you just click on enter, and then you go to the next cell on the right, click in the next cell on the right, and then I'll go for the other one will be 40. You click on tab or enter. So in my case, I'll click on tab, and then you move to the next cell on the right. So for the next cell, I'll make mine 15. Click on tab, go to the next cell. So 20 plus 40 plus 15 will give me 75. So now I'm left with 25. So I'll make the next one say, so let's make the next one 25 actually, and then just click on tab. Yeah, so all the 4 values we've entered here add up to 100. So once you've entered all your numbers in there and you are okay with your values, you come to the right side of the dialog box or the table which says apply. So all you need to do is just click on apply, and the software will divide the pie chart into according to the values that you entered here. But one thing that you should notice, it divides it clockwise. So as you can see, the first value we entered was 20. So it means from the clockwise direction, the black section is our 20, the next one will be our 40, then the next one will be 15, and then the last one will be our 25. So you should note this so that when you are putting in the values, you actually know which part represents which number. So once you are done with it, you are okay with this, you just close the dialog or the table in there, and we are left with our pie chart to work with over here. So this is our pie chart which we are going to work with, but it's grouped now, so we are not able to change the colors or able to select them individually. So if you want to be able to select the parts of the pie chart individually, we need to first ungroup, because right now they are all grouped together. So to ungroup them, we select the pie chart, we come here to Objects in the top menu, go to Ungroup, and then a dialog box will appear to tell you that once you ungroup the pie chart, it means you'll not be able to make changes to the values anymore. So once you've inputted your numbers and you are sure that you are not going to change them again, you just click on yes, and then it will try to ungroup them for you. But mind you, it will not group them, it will not ungroup all of them at once. It will do it gradually. So we need to go back again to Object, click on select everything, go to Object, click on Ungroup, and the shortcut for ungroup is Shift Control G or Shift Command G if you are using a Mac. So we just need to select the whole thing, go to the shortcut, Shift Control G for a number of times until we are sure everything is grouped. So right now all the sections are ungrouped. So once you are okay with this, now we can select the various sections and we can give them different colors that we want. So you just select one of the options, come to the color or the swatch panel over here to your right, click on that, or click on the swatch panel here. You can see the option selected is the grayscale. That is why we don't see the colors in here. So you need to just come to the top right corner here, click on that and click on RGB or any of the options in here, RGB, HSB or CMYK. So let's click on RGB, and then the color options will come here and you can select the color that we want. Or if you don't want to use this section too, you can just come over to the top panel here and then click on the fill color option, and then your color options will also be here for you. So let's just click this one, come to the fill color, change it to say on orange, come here, go back there, change it to say a brown or another color, yeah, and then come here and then just change it to say a blue color. So yeah, so as you can see, we are getting something almost equal to what we did over here. So once you've changed your colors and you're okay with the colors, if you want to separate them individually, you can do that by changing them or dragging them out of each other. And you can also see that we have strokes around each of the pie charts or each of the pie chart sections. If you want to take away the strokes, you can just select the whole thing, come to the stroke option at the top panel in here, and then just go to none, so that it will just remove the strokes around each of the sections. So after we are done here, we can then put our percentage labels or the value, the input labels on each of them. So as we said earlier on, our first one was 20, so we just drag our text to here and we enter 20%. Let's put it on that. Let me just change the color to white. Copy, paste, and change this to, second one was 40. Control, paste, Control C, Control V to copy and paste. The second one was 15. And then the other one was 25. So yeah, everything adding up to 100. So this is how you create a pie chart in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you very much for being with me on this tutorial, and if you found this video useful, please don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to my channel, and you can also hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any new videos that I'll be uploading very soon. Thank you very much for joining me once again, and I hope you stay strong, stay safe, and I'll see you again.